This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inserting the image now. Choose Insert Pictures and pick the file from your device. Once inserted, set the image layout to tight or in front of text so you can move text freely. You want the image unlocked for editing. Make sure rulers and grid lines are visible to align elements precisely. Also resize the image using corner handles to preserve aspect ratio, because distorted images make text harder to read and reduce visual impact. Next, add a text box directly over the image. Insert text box, draw text box, then click and drag to position it where you need the caption or label. Once placed, set the text box fill to no fill or a semi-transparent color so the image remains visible, and remove its outline unless you want a border. Choose high contrast font colors, adjust size and line spacing, and consider a subtle text shadow or semi-opaque rectangle behind the text to maximize legibility against busy backgrounds. To finish, fine-tune alignment, then group the text box and image. Select both, right-click and choose Group so they move together. Once grouped, confirm printing and export by saving a copy as PDF to lock layout across platforms. If words shift or disappear, make sure wrap is set to the desired mode. Bring the text box to front or back as needed with arrange, bring /send backward, and verify the text box isn't set to be locked.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.